Nag-iit ng breakfast dito na pancake. He's eating pancake. Ayan, early siya nagising. She wakes up early. Hungry. Cook her some food. Yung isang pusa namin, guys. Gutom din siya. Oh. Kain siya ng pancake. Kumakain ng pancake, guys. See?
Oh no.
Kumakain ng pancake. Gutom na gutom. Maraming ito pakain na yan. Gutom man, guys. Ang earring. Nagkaon siya pancake. You're busog na. Okay. Nagkaon siya pancake. Kasi nakakatawa ng earring pa kayo buntag sa'yo pakain. Eh. Ang isa kong ilutuan ng pancake. Kaon. Gamay ra ka ng gikaon. Busog na daw siya. Pero okay lang. Ang earring na nagkaon, guys, og pancake. Okay lang. Oh, yung ball. You want what? What cherry, Mama? You want to help? The rice. I'll put the rice. I'll put the rice. I'll put the rice. I'll teach you how to put the rice. Let's put the rice in the...
There.
Yeah, put it here.
Yes.
More. More.
It's small.
Two cups. Then ako,
Thanks.
oh, you put it there again. Three. 4 cups.
Place.
Yeah. You want to help to the rice? Let's wash the rice now. Point back now. You get your chair. And then you have more. Wash that.
A nice one. The same nice
Put the rice again here. And then let's throw the dirty water.
more.
Then wash it again.
My favorite.
Here you go. Let's wash it. Okay.
Oh.
Ay, don't touch me. I'm gonna put some clean water. it here. Like this, and that's enough. Why?
I want it. I want it.
It's play. Oh, I can make the cake, right?
No.
Can I borrow?
No, I'm buying it.
Okay. You don't need to borrow. I'm gonna make some bridge na lang. I can make some bridge.
I'm not on there.
Oh, another.
No.
Working. It's not working. I'm gonna find you another one. I think this one will work.
So you do it work?
It's working with you. Can I borrow this one?
No.
Do you need some help?
No.
Wow.
No.
I think it's not working. I can put this. And then. Oh! Like that? Wow. This one I'm gonna put it right here. Especially. We're gonna hold your hair. So your hair will be so beautiful like this. And this is the iron. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can I try this one? Try this one. Here. Here. Then you roll it like this. So your hair will be curly up there. Ah! Wow! So nice! Falling down, falling down. Oh, wow! It looks like a house. Wow! You made a bridge house. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's okay. I'll help you to hold it back. Okay. Wow! Where are you taking? You. How about this? What to make a bubble? rice.
Oh, sige, ang sige ko daw.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Okay.
So guys, magluto mig hotdog ni Yunay na. Naluto na ang rice. Hotdog na food.
Listen.
First guys, pakuluan na itong tubig. And mix.
Mix, yeah.
Yeah, and mix guys. Ano siya guys?
Cookies. Hi.
Hi guys.
Oh.
We're cooking. We're cooking.
Hey.
Wait a minute.
Hey.
Yeah, that's it. Pakuluan lang natin siya guys. Then pag hindi mo kulo na siya, pwede na siya ilabay ang tubig.
No.
Ibutakan mo siya oil. Gamay lang para maluto siya. Dayon, naluto kong isda guys. Maunya akong isda. Kung ang sudan karon kay ilahat. Dog ako isda. Butakan na ito asin gamay.
Ooh. Hikiki.
Butakan na ito asin gamay. Asan na ba itong asin? Don't touch the fish. You're gonna put some salt.
How to put salt too?
Just check your ulam. And paminta guys. Tama natin siya. Para malasa siya. Wala ang yung lansa-lansa guys.
It smells good.
Then i-mix. Mekos na to guys. Ang hotdog nagkulo na siya guys. Oh. Kapit na siya maluto. Dayon ibabad lang siya pagkatapos ma-mix. Mix na nato siya guys. Hapit na siya maluto guys. Pag magpulo na siya inani, mga ilang minutes na lang siya din ilabay ni mga tubig. Then butakan mo siya gamay nga oil. So guys, luto na siya. Pwede na siya ilabay ang tubig. Labay na nato. First palungon sa nato. Guys, nalabay na nato ang tubig. Then, butakan na to siya. Gamay oil. Gamay na lang gyud. Yeah. Gamay lang. Para lang siya maluto. Ay, luto naman siya. Daan. Then, ukay-ukayon lang mo siya. Wait lang guys, pag maluto, pakita na ko sa inyo. So guys, luto na siya. Ayan. Luto na siya. Ito yung mauno. Hindi magluto po isda na. Isda na ang next guys. So guys, ako isda ang next. Ilunod na natin isda guys. Ngayon, takloban na to kaya para din mag-tasik-tasik. Yeah, baby?
You gonna do that, huh? Me too. Yes, me too. I like
First, ibutang nimo dali. Ito siya guys. Utangan nimo siya tubig. Ayaw ng init. Kaya para dili siya magbuo-buo. I-mix-mix nimo siya guys. Ayun. Watermelon sugar. This is our plate and chocolate.
Sit yan lang.
Okay, I'll put it in hot dog. Nagugutom na. Ay, dito talaga yung bumili papa. Dito talaga pinabili yan. Maaga akong gumising ngayon na kasi nilito ako ng pancake. Kasi gutom daw siya. Kunti lang kinain ng pancake. So guys, luto na siya guys. Wow, wow. Itlog. Ano siya itlog? Oh, that's yummy. What are you doing, Yuna? You're eating the head. Yan na siya guys. Oh, lamig kaayo.